Look at the little duckies.
Here, Bob. Here. Feed them some popcorn. Throw it to them.
Look at the little duckies. That's Donald and that's Daisy. Or that's Donald, that's Daisy. It doesn't really matter. They're cute little duckies. Only in Disney do you get this kind of fun. Just go around, go around. Easy. Easy X. Oh, don't. Let's keep away from the water. You're not wearing swim trunks. Yes. 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 Put our bags up on there. Donald's just sitting there going like, I don't want no more. I don't want no more. Yeah. Oh, now he's getting it. Daisy's just getting all the food. Oh, there you go, Donald. Just eat as much as you can. Now, where are you swimming to?
He's swimming away.
But Donald's getting someone.
He's done eating. He's not hungry. Hang on. Okay, put it right here. Come on.
Oh man, this place is amazing.
She's got enough, honey. That's what it calls the pool before us. She's swimming away. She's swimming away.
Yeah.
We'll just eat the rest of it.
Okay. Here,
Yes.
Okay, guys, they're done eating. They'll come back and get it. Come on.
Yep, we're going.
No, Charlie's over here.
Welcome back. My family is off doing their thing. I think we should go snooping. Yes. Oh, sweet. Talk about a cool water park. And of course we got the cool water. We even got a water wheel over there. How the hell do you do that? Oh look, the rules of the playground. Playgrounds for children 2 to 12. Children must be tended by an adult. No pushing, shoving, or play of any kind. Emma! What?
Nobody's hair is fixed. Nobody is dressed for Disney.
And I'm showing off the resort. That's what I do. If you'll see me, I'm going off to the sports bar. Seriously, look at this place though. It's amazing. Why don't we go off this way?
I mean, it was a pain in the butt, really. But it did save us some time.
Off to the arcade. Automatic doors welcome you. Dance Dance Revolution! I don't know where the quarters go. Okay, no quarters. Oh, it's a swipe system. Okay. Okay, that takes cash. Obviously. What the hell? Oh, that is cool. That is cool. Oh, that is cool right there. That is cool. I'm not even gonna lie. That is pretty cool. Laffy Taffy had mini drop speaker. Okay. Minecraft. No one's ever won on one of these things. Let's go check out the other games. Dance Dance. No. Hell. Hello again. Oh, hello. Credits. Okay, that's pretty messed up right there. And that is pretty messed up. then of course our motorcycles and our aliens. What the fuck's our Space Marines? What the fuck? What the fuck's our Space Marines? Okay, that is just pretty cool. Oh, look at this. Our pulse rifle. What the fuck? Okay, why don't we go this way? The hell? We found something. Let's take it to the lost and found. Excuse me, this yours?
No, but I'll take it.
Okay. Oh my god, roller coasters. I like roller coasters. Virtual otherwise. Look, a claw grabber game. And then of course, oh my god, look! Terminator. With the M4s. Hold on. You got enough for 2 players? Hold on, let me get my stand ready because this is going on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. Yes.
Wait, what's your name?
AirsoftAl. I'm an airsofter. Sometimes I do reviews on guns. Sometimes I review other things. Like one guy asked me to review.
You know I subscribe to you.
Just look up AirsoftAl. Look for my face in a helmet, and you got it.
I already subscribe to you. I always like your videos.
Well, you know who I am. Okie dokie then. Hold on. I'm trying to fix my camera so it doesn't move.
We could play aliens.
Yeah, we could do that, yes.
Aliens?
Yeah, why don't we go ahead and do aliens? Aliens! We're going to do aliens, everyone! Okay, what's your name?
Justin.
Justin. Well, I'm AirsoftAl, and, okay, the camera is pointed good enough, it's on wide. 99! Hold on. You see this? 99. That is really cool. Okay, red button for a grenade, yellow button for flamer. Okay, let's do this thing. Okay. Okay. What? Please? Insufficient credits. Okay, that's not a good sign. Why don't you go get more credits? We'll be right back. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Apparently, something's wrong. But look at this. Look at this. What is with this? There are pictures of Disney around. I mean, look at that. Pictures of Disney. That is amazing. And they got Cartoon Network going with couches with cup holders. That's pretty amazing. And they got a billiard table. Film the pedestrians. This is pretty amazing. They got artwork, everything here. This is simply amazing. I'm be glad you guys don't have smell-o-vision. Oh my goodness. Oh. Again, be glad you guys don't have smell-o-vision because if they burnt popcorn, it's not good. Hello again. They burnt popcorn. It's not pretty, but yeah. Apparently the game's out of order. They can't do anything about it, so that sucks. It really does. But look at this! Armed Forces basketballs. With the Army, Navy, Marines, Air Force, National Guard, and the Coast Guard. That is pretty cool. Alright, well, that's it for now. We're going to go and do things. Okay. Hey guys, AirsoftAl here, and right now I am speaking very quiet because I am walking down the hallways of the hotel / resort, and well, somebody partied hard in Germany, and right now I'm going to Oktoberfest. I don't know if it's still going on or not, but yeah, I'm gonna go and have some fun at Oktoberfest. I'm not gonna drink. I've already drank. I drank one beer. Didn't like it. Well, I didn't. It's not that I didn't like it. It's not that it just got to the halfway point below the lip of the beer, and my body told me, stop right there. That's enough. So don't mind me. I'm just vlogging for my grandma. That person. Look at that. Somebody's got a birthday. If I had to give you a post review of the place, I'd have to say this. This place is amazing. Shades of Green, best resort I've ever done, or I've ever been in. This is the third time being here. I love this place. Oh, I love this place to death because it caters to the military. They take care of our boys and girls in the service and those who are retired from the service, and it touches me right here, guys. It really does. It just touches me. Okay, this is our elevator. Let's go. I will see you outside of the elevator ride, guys. It'll just get a jump cut. For me, it'll be like an elevator ride, so yeah. Hello, I'm sorry I did that. I did not mean to take that long of a jump cut. But yeah, this is what I like about Shades of Green. They actually have the flags of our service, and they do not shirk on it. This is what I love. They have attraction tickets, a thing over there, but we're not going there. No, we're going to Oktoberfest. Let's go. Hello. Don't mind me, I'm just vlogging for my grandmother. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Look at this. Florida. The orange state. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's a lot of people. Goodness. Excuse me, is Oktoberfest still going on?
I think it's finishing up right now.
Oh, well, I better go and get some footage. They've got a thing for the kids. Hello. Hello. Oh no, we're finishing up Oktoberfest. Oh well. Hello. Wow, this is pretty amazing for what it was. Nice lederhosen.
Thank you.
Welcome. Oh, nice.
Tell your daughter we said home.
Oh, Lord. Oh, my goodness. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, this place. So sad they are closing up, but this place was packed on the last side. Woo.
Hard, yeah.
Hello. Excuse me, mind if I ask what that thing on the heart of your...
That's a type of beer from Germany.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's the beer that we serve here at Oktoberfest.
I thought it was some kind of thing for the Marines,
No,
because of the way it was. Well, I'm Alex, also known as AirsoftAl, and you are on AirsoftAl camera. If you had to say anything on behalf of the company, what would you have to say?
Well, I work for Shades of Green. I work for the Department of the Army. So I am a DOD federal employee. And I will be forever until they kick me out, because they're awesome.
Well, if you had to think one negative thing about Shades of Green or Disney, what would it be? Negative prices. Do not include prices.
Negative? They don't make me work enough. They should give me more work. Because I'm going to be here forever working for them.
Oh my goodness. Well, you heard it. You heard it. You heard it. Oh my God. Thank you. Oh, what's with the mugs and the tags?
These were giveaway prizes.
Oh, okay. So you're not doing the giveaway anymore?
No.
And you have to keep these. You can't get rid of them. Oh. Hello. Bye bye. Oh my goodness. Oh. Woo, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Hello. I'm sorry. If you don't mind, I'd like to try and get as much as I could. How much are the hats?
$18.95.
That one. The Boonie one.
$18.95.
Oh, $18.95. Wow.
Oh, wait.
Ah, what the heck? I'll get it.
I don't know.
that one?
Yes. I'm sorry, but who doesn't get it?
Here's the money.
You don't like it?
Woo! Hello. Don't cover my camera, please.
Yeah, price tag came off. Stuck in that thing. Huh?
Also, want to say smile, you're on AirsoftAl camera. I am a YouTuber. I've been asked by one of my fans to review Disney and the resort I stay at, and honestly, I can't think of anything negative about Disney. Excluding prices, I mean, I don't include prices in this review. If you girls had to say anything, is there anything negative you can think about Disney? Excluding prices, we cannot include prices. Because I personally think you pay what you get, and the price I paid with my family, I mean, just, heck, you had Oktoberfest, we didn't even pay for that. So, yeah. But aside from that, though, how long have you girls worked here?
I've been here for 3 years.
3 years, wow. And what have you missed? And would you gladly say you're happy with your jobs? Yeah. Well, you'd be surprised. The people who work at Orlando studios hate their job and envy you guys. Now, hearing that...
At Universal Studios.
Oh, now it's horrid. Legitimately, it's horrid now. Now, hearing that, though, do you think you should be happy that you work at Disney, or what exactly? Like, what are you feeling hearing what I've told you?
It is what it is. You know?
Thank you. Well, might as well go explore more before it breaks down. I thank you. Sorry, guys, set you guys down. Oh my goodness, but I'll say this now. I've already given this place an automatic 10 out of 10. I mean, I exclude prices when it comes to reviews. But if it's the guns I review, then that's different, because I do review guns and tactical apparel, and if it's like, it's like $10 here, like $80 here, then I will make the price, but I always put it in. I will never find a negative thing to do. Again, I exclude prices from you guys, because I believe in you get. And honestly, you can you made my father happy, helped me forget a lot about Katrina and all that stuff. And say is thank you, and thank you very much. Thank you. Right, well, I'm going to go explore before you completely break it down. Oh, look at this. James Big Jim McCarty. This is amazing. I'm not gonna lie, this place is amazing. I mean, you got people in Lederhosen, you got this, you got that. I mean, it's sad they're breaking down. It was lively earlier, I swear. Hello. It was lively earlier, I swear. But you know what? It's just one of those things. It happened, it finished. Well, let's go look at other places, okay? Okay. Best $20 I've ever spent in my life. Wow, look at this, guys. It is a Mickey Mouse with the United States flag and the Constitution of the United States on his feet. Look at this. Freedom, United States, July 4th, 1776. Just listen to this. Look at this. They actually took the time to put the first article, Section 1 and Section 2 on his feet. Look at this. Presented to Shades of Green in honor of the military and their families, the Walt Disney World Resort 2005. Now, if that isn't love for our boys and girls in the service, what is? Hello again, guys. Look at this. This is a beautiful pavilion. I mean, how can you not like this pavilion? This is an amazing place. Oh my goodness, this is just beautiful. This is just beautiful. Oh, they got Monsters Incorporated going on over there. Oh, they got Monster University going on over there. Look at this. Oh my god. But look at this pavilion. It's a mixture of tile and carpet. The atmosphere is amazing. Look at these chandeliers. I mean, look at this place. This place is amazingly huge. Oh my goodness. This place is definitely well worth price of admission. This is definitely good. Right, well, I'm going to try and get an interview with one of the managers, and I will see you soon.